Beneath Antarctica's icy expanse lies a mystery that has baffled scientists and explorers for years. This intriguing discovery has not only captured our imagination, but also that of the curious Joe Rogan. Interestingly, an ancient map from the 1500s recently surfaced, showing detailed outlines of Antarctica. This map, created long before Antarctica's official discovery in 1820, raises questions about its creators and their knowledge of the icy continent. Could this map reveal a lost civilization? Join us as we explore how ancient civilization was suddenly found under the ice in Antarctica, with Joe Rogan. Antarctica, the icy continent. Antarctica is a vast, stunning, and incredibly diverse place that offers a unique blend of extremes, sparking deep thoughts and contemplation. Its pristine landscape, unusual geography, and intriguing history make it a place like no other on Earth. Spanning nearly 14 million square kilometers, Antarctica is approximately 8.24 times larger than Alaska, the largest state in the U.S. Its sheer size dwarfs even the most expansive territories, showcasing its mind-boggling immensity. What sets Antarctica apart from other continents is its lack of permanent human habitation or governance, adding to its allure and mystique. The continent's landscape is truly remarkable, boasting the world's largest ice sheet. The East Antarctic Ice Sheet, covering about 2/3 of the Antarctic Peninsula, reaches staggering heights of up to 4,000 meters above sea level. Glaciers in Antarctica move with a slow, majestic grace, while ice shelves extend into the Southern Ocean, creating a surreal panorama of immense glacial wilderness. Antarctica is renowned for its harsh, bitterly cold weather. In 1983, the Soviet Union's Vostok station recorded the world's coldest temperature at -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite these extreme conditions, Antarctica is home to a variety of wildlife, including penguins, seals, whales, and seagulls. These creatures have adapted to the harsh environment, relying on the nearby Southern Ocean for their nutrition. Antarctica serves primarily as a hub for scientific exploration and research, with numerous research stations and field camps established by various countries. These facilities delve into a wide array of subjects, including climate change, geology, biology, and astronomy. One of the most significant moments in Antarctic history occurred in 1928, when the first aircraft successfully landed on the icy continent. Australian polar explorer Sir Hubert Wilkins and American aviator Carl Isen achieved this feat with their small Lockheed Vega monoplane, which gracefully touched down near Deception Island after soaring above the frozen landscape. This milestone opened up new frontiers for exploration and research in Antarctica, revolutionizing our understanding of this remote and challenging land. In more recent geological epochs, Antarctica underwent a dramatic transformation into the icy wilderness it is today. Approximately 34 million years ago, the continent began to cool, leading to the gradual accumulation of ice. Over time, this ice sheet expanded, covering the landmass and turning it into the frozen desert we recognize today. The process of glaciation has sculpted Antarctica's topography, creating breathtaking valleys, towering peaks, and vast ice shelves. Antarctica's past is shrouded in mystery, sparking speculation about the existence of a pre-Adamite civilization that may have thrived in this icy realm. Meanwhile, there are some ideas that Antarctica might have been home to civilizations with advanced technology long before Europeans arrived. It's important to note that these ideas are still mostly guesses and not based on solid science. There's a lack of scientific proof to support these ideas because Antarctica is a very harsh place for humans to live in for a long time. Despite this, Antarctica remains a place that captures people's imaginations and curiosity. Its untouched environment is home to a fragile ecosystem where special animals like penguins, seals, and seabirds have adjusted to survive in extremely cold conditions. Scientists from all over the world go to Antarctica to study things like climate change, the Earth's structure, and the unknown parts of the universe. This frozen continent is a unique and captivating laboratory for studying nature. With these scientific explorations, researchers made some discoveries in this icy land. These discoveries have surprised the world and expanded our understanding of this remote and barren continent. Operation High Jump: Exploration of the Icy Desert. Antarctica has long been a subject of intrigue, shrouded in myths, government involvement, and conspiracy theories. Despite being one of the most uninhabited places on Earth, this icy continent has always captured the imagination of explorers and researchers alike. Throughout the years, numerous efforts have been made to uncover the deep secrets of this remote region, drawing the interest of many, including the renowned podcaster Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan, known as one of the world's most popular podcasters, has spent over a decade delving into a wide range of topics on his show. His fascination with Antarctica was particularly evident in a captivating 2022 episode, where he found himself astounded by a revelation shared by his guest, fellow podcaster and comedian Sam Tripoli. During their discussion, Sam Tripoli mentioned Operation High Jump, a military exercise that took place in Antarctica in the mid-20th century. This operation, which officially lasted from 1946 to 1947, and was led by Rear Admiral Richard E. Byrd, purportedly involved President Harry Truman, Nazis, and even extraterrestrials. While the details of Operation High Jump remain shrouded in mystery and speculation, its existence is a matter of historical record. The mention of President Truman, Nazis, and extraterrestrials in connection with Operation High Jump sparked Joe Rogan's curiosity and left his audience intrigued. On February 1, 1947, a grand expedition set sail for Antarctica, originally planned to last 9 months. Led by Rear Admiral Richard E. Byrd, this ambitious endeavor aimed at conducting scientific research in the icy wilderness. However, the expedition's funding from the U.S. Navy hinted at broader strategic interests. Accompanied by the aircraft carrier Casablanca, 25 planes, 7 helicopters, a submarine, an icebreaker, and 12 tankers carrying 4,800 personnel, the expedition arrived in the area of Queen Maud Land. Officially, their mission was to explore the feasibility of establishing military bases, train personnel in extreme cold conditions, and search for coal and other resources. However, the sheer scale of the expedition raises questions about its true purpose. Why did they need 32 planes, 13 ships, and nearly 5,000 people for a scientific expedition? The answer may lie in President Truman and the American government's keen interest in Antarctica. They sought to establish American sovereignty over the region, driven by strategic and geopolitical considerations. The expedition's journey was not without peril. Many participants tragically lost their lives, underscoring the harsh and unforgiving nature of Antarctica's environment. Yet despite the challenges, the expedition pressed on, driven by a mix of scientific curiosity and geopolitical ambition. One of the most intriguing aspects of this expedition is a claim made by Sam Tripoli, citing Admiral Byrd's journals. According to Tripoli, Byrd allegedly made contact with Nazi UFOs during the expedition. It was later revealed that the true purpose of the mission was to retrieve missing Nazi leaders from their rumored base in Antarctica. Extensive aerial photography was conducted, and a polar station was established. Strange messages began to emerge on the airwaves, including reports of attacks and heavy losses. The identity of Rear Admiral Byrd's opponents in Antarctica remained a mystery. Curiously, on March 3, 1947, all work abruptly ceased, and the expedition hastily returned to America. This sudden halt raised questions about what had transpired in Antarctica and why the mission was cut short. The story of how the Nazis ended up in Antarctica traces back to January 1939, when a German expedition reached the continent, claiming a portion of its land. This region was named New Swabia and quickly became the subject of legends and rumors. Whispers spread that the Germans had established a secret base there, possibly serving as Adolf Hitler's final refuge. Some even speculated that the Germans had discovered a vast system of ice caves where they had constructed a massive city. According to Sam Tripoli, the Nazis had allegedly made a pact with extraterrestrial beings to access their advanced technology during World War II. However, it remains unclear why this technology was not utilized in the actual war, or why the aliens purportedly remained in Antarctica after the conflict ended. The revelations shared by Sam Tripoli on Joe Rogan's podcast shine a light on a captivating and mysterious chapter in Antarctica's history. The true extent of what occurred during Operation High Jump and the potential involvement of extraterrestrial entities continue to be subjects of speculation and intrigue, adding to the enigmatic allure of Antarctica's past. Satellite data reveals lost continent. As of January 2024, a website that tracks satellites called Orbiting has reported that over 8,377 active satellites are orbiting the Earth. These satellites are crucial for gathering information about our planet's clouds, oceans, land, and air. They also play a vital role in providing in-flight phone communications and connecting rural areas. However, in 2018, an exciting discovery was made by a gravity mapping satellite that reshaped our understanding of Antarctica's geological and geographical history. Researchers examining data from a satellite that had been inactive for 5 years stumbled upon remarkable findings. This discovery was made possible by the Gravity Field and Ocean Circulation Explorer, GOCE satellite launched by the European Space Agency in 2009. Over 4 years, the GOCE satellite meticulously mapped Earth's gravity field until it was intentionally destroyed. This satellite contained gravity images that revolutionized our understanding of Antarctica. The new data provided further evidence that India, Australia, and Antarctica were once part of the same landmass called Gondwana, a subsection of the supercontinent Pangaea, over 180 million years ago. Today, remnants of this ancient continent lie hidden beneath Antarctica, offering an unparalleled opportunity for exploration and the potential discovery of invaluable information. Joe Rogan was astonished by the impact of this satellite's data, which revealed hidden secrets about our planet's history. This discovery opens up new avenues for research and exploration in Antarctica, highlighting the importance of satellite technology in expanding our knowledge of Earth's past and present. Discovery of meteorite ALH 84001. In 1984, a remarkable discovery was made in the field of astrobiology when scientists found a meteorite named ALH 84001 in Antarctica. This meteorite is a piece of rock from Mars that was thrown into space during a powerful impact on the red planet. Eventually, it made its way to Earth and landed in the Allen Hills region of Antarctica. In 1996, a team of scientists led by NASA's David S. McKay shared their findings about ALH 84001. This announcement sparked intense debate and controversy among scientists and the public. The controversy stemmed from the suggestion that the meteorite might contain evidence of ancient microbial life on Mars. The scientists pointed to tiny worm-like structures and mineral formations within ALH 84001 that looked similar to fossilized bacteria. They argued that these features could be remnants of microbial life that existed on Mars billions of years ago. Recently, a mysterious map has been discovered, challenging our understanding of the Antarctic continent. This map hints at a treasure trove of new knowledge that could change our perception of Antarctica. Interestingly, Joe Rogan, a popular podcaster and commentator, has joined the discussion, offering intriguing insights into this least-known continent on Earth. Groundbreaking discovery of subterranean lakes. In the 1970s, a groundbreaking discovery revealed the immense, untapped potential of a region that had long been overlooked. Scientists uncovered a completely new ecosystem thriving in the frigid waters of the Antarctic seas. This revelation proved that life could endure in the most hostile of environments. Since then, researchers have made remarkable strides, uncovering approximately 400 subterranean lakes in Antarctica. These lakes, some as deep as 3 kilometers, formed millions of years ago when Antarctica separated from the supercontinent Gondwana. One of the most significant discoveries came in the 1990s with the unveiling of Lake Vostok. Nestled 2.5 kilometers beneath the Antarctic ice cap, Lake Vostok stands as the largest subglacial lake on Earth. Despite being entombed in ice for a staggering 20 million years, the lake maintains a surprisingly stable temperature of around -3 degrees Celsius. What sets these subglacial lakes apart is the existence of thriving ecosystems within them. Microorganisms, existing in total darkness for millions of years, continue to flourish. These resilient organisms rely on gases such as methane and ammonium to generate energy, enabling them to survive in this extreme environment. The discovery of these subglacial lakes and their ecosystems has opened a window into a world previously thought uninhabitable. It challenges our understanding of life's limits and raises questions about the potential for life in other seemingly inhospitable corners of the universe. Mysterious, 66 million years old fossils. Scientists are often faced with perplexing mysteries that defy easy explanations. One such puzzle emerged when researchers stumbled upon a captivating reptile egg estimated to be a staggering 66 million years old. Initially, the egg's true nature remained a baffling riddle, earning it the nickname the Thing. Measuring an impressive 11 inches in length and 7 inches in width, this mysterious egg languished unidentified in Chile's National Museum for nearly a decade. Only recently, upon closer examination, did researchers uncover its true identity as a giant egg, second in size only to the extinct elephant bird's egg. Believed to have been laid by a mosasaur, an ancient sea lizard, the egg's discovery is further bolstered by the presence of nearby baby and adult mosasaur and plesiosaur skeletons, hinting at the possibility that the area may have served as a prehistoric nursery. The egg's remarkable size and delicate shell offer incredible clues about unique reproductive adaptations associated with mosasaur gigantism. Scientists are currently exploring whether these ancient reptiles hatched on land or underwater, a behavior similar to that of modern sea snakes and turtles. The revelation that a single egg could unveil such profound insights into the past underscores the enduring allure of paleontology. In 2018, a paleontologist proposed the egg's potential identity as a dinosaur egg. However, scans revealed no skeleton inside, leading to the dismissal of this hypothesis. Despite the initial uncertainty, scientists eventually established a strong link between the egg and the mosasaur, highlighting the iterative nature of scientific inquiry and the importance of meticulous research in unraveling the mysteries of the past. Mysterious minuscule humanoid fossils. In the remote and icy expanse of the Whitmore mountain range in Antarctica, a remarkable discovery has stirred the imaginations of scientists and enthusiasts alike. Amidst the rugged terrain, a team of paleontologists, led by the renowned Dr. Marley, unearthed a trove of minuscule humanoid fossils. These tiny relics, initially discovered during an expedition in search of a rumored UFO base, have unveiled a stunning chapter in Earth's history. Through meticulous examination, researchers have dated these humanoid fossils to an astonishing 600 million years old. This places them in a timeline that predates not only the first vertebrates, but also the mighty dinosaurs, suggesting that these creatures existed in a distant era long before familiar life forms roamed the planet. The first discovery was a compact skeleton entombed within sedimentary rock layers, standing less than a foot tall. Subsequent findings revealed another extraordinarily well-preserved skeleton, providing even more detailed insights into these enigmatic beings. What sets them apart is their human-like physique, a characteristic unlike any other known ape species. Yet the mystery surrounding these ancient Antarctic inhabitants only deepens with each new revelation. Their true identity, population numbers, and technological achievements remain veiled in the mists of time. Some speculate that these diminutive humanoid skeletons could be of extraterrestrial origin, hinting at a connection to a world beyond our own. The mysterious hole. For decades, scientists have been puzzled by a mysterious phenomenon deep within the icy expanse of Antarctica, the recurring appearance of polynius. These inscrutable holes in the sea ice have intrigued researchers since the 1970s when satellites first captured images of Earth. These strange openings would form in the Lazarev Sea's annual ice pack, only to vanish by summer's end. However, the mystery deepened a year and a half ago, during Antarctica's harsh winter, when a massive 9,500 square kilometer hole suddenly appeared in the ice. This hole grew by an astounding 740% in just 2 months before shrinking with the onset of summer. Scientists were baffled by these seemingly magical vanishing acts and reappearances. Recent research has shed light on the mystery of these holes, explaining them as cyclonic storm scars. It is believed that polar air masses converging at the South Pole, much like in 2017 when cyclone-driven winds exceeding 117 kilometers per hour and towering waves reaching 16 meters swept through the region, are responsible for the formation of these polynyas. These powerful forces drive the Antarctic ice pack in various directions, creating openings that serve as windows to the world beneath the ice. When these polynyas open, they facilitate the exchange of energy between the ocean and the atmosphere, influencing climate patterns in the region. The increased incidence of these mysterious holes is also linked to global warming, highlighting the profound impact of climate change on Antarctica's delicate ecosystem. Rainforest fossils. When we think about signs of life, it's truly intriguing to imagine that Antarctica, with its icy landscape today, was once a vibrant home to lush rainforests. It's hard to picture tropical trees and creatures thriving in such a frigid environment, but history tells us it was possible. Before Antarctica became the frozen desert, it is now, after the Ice Age, it was a warm, tropical paradise teeming with life. Imagine the dense, verdant rainforests stretching as far as the eye could see, filled with exotic plants and animals. Some even speculate that civilizations flourished in this warm land until it was gradually swallowed by ice. This theory gains traction from the discovery of fossilized wood samples, remnants of tropical trees, and leaf impressions, all providing compelling evidence of past rainforests in the region. Moreover, scientists have uncovered a treasure trove of fossils dating back to the Cretaceous period, including marine animals, birds, and even dinosaurs. These discoveries paint a vivid picture of a once thriving ecosystem, where diverse forms of life thrived in a climate much warmer than what we see today. In addition, scattered fossils of a beetle species, dating back 20 million years, suggest that Antarctica's climate was once considerably warmer. These remarkable findings spark curiosity and lead us to ponder whether Antarctica might still harbor hidden rainforests, concealing unknown creatures, and perhaps even remnants of ancient civilizations within its icy depths. Could it be that beneath the vast expanses of ice lie remnants of a lost world, a world teeming with life, waiting to be uncovered and explored? The possibility of hidden rainforests in Antarctica stirs the imagination. The Area 51. Of Antarctica. Antarctica, often perceived as a barren and uninhabited wilderness, holds within its icy embrace mysteries that confound researchers and stir our imagination. As investigations and discoveries continue in this remote corner of the world, they promise to unveil shocking revelations about our planet's ancient past. The journey to Antarctica is no small feat. It is a realm of extreme remoteness and inaccessibility. Unless one's purpose is crystal clear, traversing the vast expanse of ice presents a formidable challenge. Despite advancements in exploration, the sheer magnitude of Antarctica ensures that its secrets remain largely untouched. Even for those fortunate enough to gain access, the available area for activities and exploration is limited. Yet for tourists, hikers, and adventurers, the stunning scenery and unique experiences offered by Antarctica are more than enough to captivate the soul. However, amidst this icy wonderland, there exist enigmatic regions off-limits to all but scientists and government officials. These restricted zones, often referred to as the Area 51 of Antarctica, shroud themselves in secrecy, inviting speculation and curiosity. Reports of individuals attempting to breach these forbidden areas, only to disappear without a trace, add to the air of mystery that surrounds them. Swift apprehension by guards, followed by silence, fuels rumors of clandestine experiments or operations being conducted in these remote corners of the continent. Official explanations for the restricted access cite the need to protect the biodiversity and potentially endangered species that inhabit these areas. While this rationale may hold some truth, skeptics question whether it fully accounts for the stringent secrecy surrounding these regions. The veil of mystery that cloaks these forbidden zones only serves to heighten intrigue and speculation among the curious. In the face of such secrecy, it is natural for people to wonder what mysteries lie hidden within these off-limits territories. The allure of the unknown, coupled with the aura of secrecy, fuels the human desire for exploration and discovery. A complete dinosaur fossil. Deep within the icy depths of Antarctica lay hidden the remains of the heaviest known Elasmosaurus, a prehistoric aquatic reptile that once roamed the Cretaceous waters alongside dinosaurs. This colossal creature, measuring a staggering 40 feet in length and weighing up to 15 tons, now stands as one of the most complete ancient reptile fossils ever unearthed in Antarctica. Elasmosaurus, belonging to the plesiosaur family, was among the giants of the Cretaceous era's marine fauna. Unlike its counterparts, this newly discovered Elasmosaurus is believed to belong to the plesiosaur genus, which is unique to the southern hemisphere. The fossil of this remarkable Elasmosaurus was discovered by William Zinsmeister during a 1989 expedition to Seymour Island, located approximately south of the northern tip of the Antarctic peninsula. However, excavating this massive reptile proved to be a painstakingly slow process, hindered by the region's unpredictable weather and logistical challenges. Working in the harsh Antarctic cold was a daunting task, making the excavation a true test of patience and perseverance. Despite the challenges, the excavation of the huge Elasmosaurus was finally completed in 2017, revealing a significant portion of its bones. This discovery provides valuable insights into the late Cretaceous period and the robust marine ecology that thrived until the catastrophic extinction event that marked the end of the dinosaurs' reign. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. Deep in the icy waters of the Ross Sea, a team of intrepid explorers embarked on a mission unlike any other. Their goal? To unlock the mysteries of the colossal squid, a creature so elusive and mysterious that it was once thought to be a mythical legend. The expedition, led by the non-profit organization Colossal, was armed with cutting-edge subsea cameras and lighting systems developed by Subsea Imaging. Their journey into the unknown waters of Antarctica was not without its challenges, but the team was determined to uncover the secrets of this massive cephalopod. As they descended into the depths, the cameras captured breathtaking footage of the colossal squid in its natural habitat. The creature, measuring over 18 feet long, moved gracefully through the water, its massive eyes scanning the darkness for prey. One of the team's primary objectives was to understand the function of the squid's gigantic eye. Was it used for offense, defense, or perhaps attracted to light displays? They also hoped to learn more about the squid's bioluminescence and how it used this unique ability in its underwater world. The timing of the expedition was significant, coinciding with the 100th anniversary of the first discovery of the colossal squid in 1925. It was a fitting tribute to this remarkable creature, whose existence continues to captivate and intrigue scientists and explorers alike. As the expedition unfolded, discoveries were made, and old myths were dispelled. The colossal squid, once a creature of legend, was now a reality, its secrets slowly being unveiled by the dedicated team of researchers. Have you ever come across a squid before? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Mysterious singing glacier. In a remarkable discovery, researchers in Antarctica uncovered a phenomenon known as a singing glacier. This unusual occurrence takes place on the expansive Ross ice shelf, which is roughly the size of France, and is characterized by an eerie and almost melodic sound emanating from the ice. The source of this unique phenomenon lies in the winds sweeping across the snow dunes, causing them to collide and create vibrations that produce continuous seismic tones. As a result, the ice shelf is in a perpetual state of song, although these sounds are not audible to the human ear. Scientists have utilized seismic sensors to listen to these haunting melodies, describing them as deeply sorrowful and melancholic, evoking a sense of terror. Initially discovered incidentally while researchers were studying other behaviors of the ice shelf, the singing has since been recognized as a valuable indicator of the environment's evolution. The song changes over time, reflecting the shifting conditions of the ice shelf. Researchers now use the song as a tool to monitor the stability and vulnerability of the ice shelf, paying close attention to any alterations in the music's composition that could indicate potential collapse. This captivating discovery has sparked intriguing questions about the potential for glaciers to one day produce songs that can be heard by human ears. Terrifying discoveries in Byrd's diary. Admiral Richard E. Byrd's long-lost journal contained fascinating entries that remained hidden for years until it was discovered by Byrd's son and retrieved from Wakawa Shushu's possession. The journal revealed Admiral Byrd's remarkable discoveries, which ultimately led to the founding of the Hollow Earth Research Society, formerly known as the International Society for a Complete Earth. The contents of Byrd's diary, unveiled in the 1970s by UFO researcher and writer Dan Weiss, challenged conventional knowledge and sparked intense interest and controversy. The journal provided insights that went beyond the boundaries of mainstream science, offering a glimpse into a world of untapped potential. Titled Flight Log, Base Camp Arctic, the diary detailed Admiral Byrd's Arctic mission, including his encounter with an undiscovered mountain range just hours into his northward adventure. During the mission, Admiral Byrd faced unexpected challenges when the aircraft's magnetic and gyro compasses began to malfunction erratically. This strange behavior, occurring near the North Pole, puzzled the accompanying researchers and led to speculation about the nature of the Arctic region and its magnetic properties. Just 2 weeks after Admiral Byrd's Arctic journey, Chilean newspapers reported an extraordinary event involving him. It was claimed that he encountered a different kind of enemy, incredibly flying objects capable of traveling long distances and swiftly moving between the poles in the Weddell Sea. A dangerous battle ensued for approximately 20 minutes as the unidentified crafts emerged from the water and fiercely attacked Byrd's group, resulting in numerous injuries and deaths. In one entry of Byrd's diary, he mentioned an unexpected mission over Antarctica where he was transported into the inner Earth through a vortex. There, he encountered humanoid beings known as Agarthans and a highly respected leader referred to as the Master. The Master admonished Byrd for humanity's creation of the atomic bomb and warned about its destructive power. This encounter left Byrd amazed, and he firmly believed that humanity needed to change its ways to avoid a bleak future. The Missing Diary of Admiral Byrd is a captivating chronicle that offers unparalleled insights into unexplored realms. Its contents have fascinated and intrigued researchers, sparking renewed interest in the mysteries of the Hollow Earth. Which of these discoveries found under the ice in Antarctica did you find intriguing and equally captivating? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.